teaching is a highest paying job. Maybe आपको भी शौक लग रहा होगा, but I will reveal the facts now. टीचर काम भी कर रहा है, वो उस काम को एंजॉय भी कर रहा है, फेस्टिवल्स भी सेलिब्रेट कर रहा है, छुट्टियां भी सेलिब्रेट कर रहा है, अच्छी सैलरी ले रहा है.
So hello, good morning ladies and gentlemen, friends and family. So today we have with us Mr. Hitesh Tiwari. He's a principal of Balbharti Anupur School and he is one of a younger principal across India in Balbharti Group. So today I would like to welcome Mr. Hitesh Tiwari. Sir, welcome to my channel.
Thanks Vishal for inviting me.
So, sir, today the topic that we are going to discuss about is a career in teaching. There are a lot of students, lot of faculty out there who want to understand this कि what teaching is, क्या सारी चीजें होती हैं. अगर मैं एक स्टूडेंट हूँ तो मुझे टीचर बनना है तो क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स हो सकती हैं, कितनी सारी चीजें हो सकती हैं, ये सारी चीजों पे हम बात करेंगे. एंड I could not get anyone better than you to discuss on this particular topic. So to start with, I would like to ask about a brief that who is Hitesh Tiwari and कैसे आप उस पोस्ट पर पहुंचे हैं in such a young age.
So basically you are asking about my journey.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes.
So let me tell you that I started in 2010 as a lecturer in a college. So I was teaching BCA and MCA classes over there. Then suddenly I make a shift from a college to schools with the thought, okay, let me enjoy some holidays. Let me enjoy some summer holidays, winter holidays. That's not supposed to be in colleges those days. And I think still it is not there.
Yeah.
And that was a shift when I think that let me move towards schools rather than colleges. And one thing was very much clear of that particular point of view. Like in 2010, I was just seeing my principal, the principal of my college. And I was seeing that if I want to become a principal, that is the highest stage or the highest designation in any institution when we see.
Right.
So it took me around another 20-25 years. So I decided, no, I can't wait for, those 15-20 years. And obviously I have to do a PhD as well at the same time. So then I keep on talking to myself, what next? Then idea comes, I can easily become a school principal. As far as CBSE guidelines are concerned, to become a principal, your minimum qualification should be master degree with B.Ed or equivalent to B.Ed and 5 years of PGT experience. When I talk about PGT, maybe those people, those who are listening to me, those who are not into this teaching line, let me tell you, friends, for you, PGT is a teacher who teaches classes 11th and 12th. And the second option was available is if you have master degree B.Ed with 8 years of TGT experience. When we talk about TGT, you already know that TGT means the teacher who teaches classes 8, 9, and 10. So I thought it is an easier way that this is a journey I can easily get into within next 5 to 10 years or 8 years. And then I shifted to school. And then I worked at the capacity of head of department in various schools. And before that, I was in DPS Kannada senior coordinator. And then finally, after going through many interviews, I should say, I should not hide it. After going through many interviews, finally, I cleared this Balbharti interview and I got a chance to become a principal.
Become the youngest principal, right?
So that is a long story short. So it took me around, you can say, almost 7 years.
Wow.
6 to 7 years.
So 7 years of dedicated, planned approach towards being a principal.
You see, right. that seed of becoming a principal was already sown in 2010. वो जो बीज तब का बोया हुआ आज पौधा बना 7-8 साल बाद. तो ये बहुत जरूरी है फॉर द यंगस्टर्स, दोज हु आर लिसनिंग टू योर चैनल. विशाल, आपके माध्यम से बताना चाहता हूँ बच्चों को कि नथिंग हैपन इन अ डे और 2 और इन अ मंथ. दे हैव टू प्लान इन एडवांस.
राइट, वंडरफुल. एंड बीइंग अ टीचर, सर, अगर किसी बच्चे को टीचिंग में करियर बनाना है तो व्हाट आर द वेज?
सी, लेट मी टेल यू, I talk about India only. Specifically, because I think most of your subscribers and viewers are from India.
Yes.
So as far as India is concerned, we have 4 boards right now: State Board, CBSE Board, IGCSE and IB board.
Right.
Fine. And we have different schools, those who are having CBSE aligned with IGCSE or IB boards.
Right.
Fine. When we talk about state board, basically teachers, if we talk about, see, there are two things. One is salary part and one is the profile part. So first of all, if I talk about only the minimum qualification, that is a graduation and a BEd presently,
Okay.
right? That is a minimum entry level for any job to be, like for any student or any youngster or any candidate to become a teacher. That is not enough. See, we cannot take to be granted that once कि हमने डिग्री ले ली and then उसका हम बोले कि जी ये हमने 2016 में I was the topper of my class, because that is just, the degree is just for you to enter into a particular field. Maybe you are only eligible for the interview. Maybe that not sure that if you got 80%, 90% that you will clear the interview. That is all together a separate scenario, isn't it?
Yes.
तो बिल्कुल बात है, लेकिन ये चीज समझना बहुत जरूरी है कि अगर आपको टीचर बनना है तो पहले आपको ये डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा, आर यू वांट टू बिकम अ गवर्नमेंट टीचर or you want to become a private teacher. Now there are different these things, because private में अपने pros and cons है, government में अपने pros and cons. Vishal, you want me? Should I go deep into it?
Yes, sir. Please, please.
Okay, fine. So let me talk about government setup. If we talk about KVs and JNVs, तो JNV में पहले टीचर्स को ये पता होना बहुत क्लियरली है कि once they are selected after the entire procedure of online test, this interview and everything. Now it is a boarding school, and duty does not end after 2 or 2:30, because students are staying there, teachers are staying there. They have some extra duties in the evening as well, even in the early morning as well. So no doubt there will be a salary difference. Like JNV employees are getting 10% to 12% extra salary as compared to KV employees, because KV is a day school.
Right.
It starts at around 7:30 and ends up around 2:30. So that is a major difference. And again, we need to check out that. Now come to the private one. जब हम private schools की बात करते हैं, now there are difference. There are some private schools, those who are paying very well, equivalent to central or even more than that. Even more than that. There are some boarding schools in and around when we talk about top schools. They are paying more than what a central employee gets. Apart from that, free accommodation, electricity is free, and there are other perks. Let me tell you the best part to become a teacher. Now this is for everybody. See, at present scenario, it is very tough for every parent to educate the child in a good school, because right now the fee of any good school is quite high.
Right.
You are agree on this, isn't it?
Right. Right.
And 15 years of schooling means around 15 to 20 lakh minimum. Minimum. And it goes maximum as well up to 30-35 lakhs. So the advantage to become a teacher is कि teachers के बच्चे free में पढ़ जाते हैं in any school.
Right.
That is a one advantage
Right.
to become a teacher. And that is not the only advantage, let me tell you. Second thing is, it is a very noble profession.
It is.
It's a very noble profession. Parents respect you, students respect you, but they respect only those teachers, those who are actually worth of respecting. Over to you for the next question.
Right. So these are the ways जिससे एक कोई भी student अगर 12th cross किया है, after 12th I guess एक basic graduation or BEd is the basic criteria to get into teaching. But what keeps you in teaching is the not only the eligibility but the interest of teaching students.
True.
This interest will take you forward in terms of getting experiences, in terms of being a good teacher. So my next question would be, sir, what are the skills that makes a good teacher?
See, first of all, as a teacher, we need to understand that now we are not dealing with the machines, we are going to deal with the human beings. So it is entirely different from the corporate world or any manufacturing plant, because there people mostly deals with the machines.
Right.
But when we talk about schools, we are dealing with the human beings. So the one thing is, the very first point or criteria is empathy. You must be empathize with your students. You must know कि उनकी क्या problems है. You must able to figure out their problems by putting your feet into their shoes. That is the one thing. Second thing is your communication skills. Now this is one thing is must for any job, I can say. Because being an author, being a certified counselor and a teacher trainer and a CBSE resource person, I went into many teachers trainings and I have seen personally, if you have a good communication skills, you are making your relation on a next level with the students, isn't it?
Exactly.
And the next third thing is, again, aligned with the communication skills is attitude. Again, it will be important for every job. What kind of attitude you have towards your work? Because whatever job you want to do, like in days 2, you are going to join any company or any organization. Though there are many CBSE schools, but internal working of every school is different from other. May it be group of schools, may it be of, right now CBSE have 20,000 plus schools across India and abroad. But being CBSE schools, internal working of every school is different.
Yes.
So teacher has to adapt from one phase to another. There will be certain duties he or she has not done before, but they have to do it. Isn't it?
Yes.
So that is what the attitude. They must have that attitude, that yes attitude. That yes, because if they are going to grow, then there are chances that they can become a coordinator or a senior coordinator, vice principal and principal. And let me tell you, this is not the end of any education sector. After principal, you can become the member of board of management. You can become a president or a vice president of that particular society or group of schools. And I personally know few people that after retiring from the post of principal, now they are member of board of management. They are chairperson or chairman to many other schools. So list is going on and on actually. They are resource persons, isn't it? So required skills for me is 3 basically, and one thing more.
Yeah.
See, there is one word called passionate. So teacher has to be very passionate so that he or she can ignite that thing into towards the students. आप खुद सोचो एक टीचर बिल्कुल ढीला ढाला सा है, लेजी सा है, जब वो बच्चों को पढ़ाएगा तो बच्चों का एटीट्यूड कैसा होगा, उनका एनर्जी लेवल कैसा होगा, टीचर का एनर्जी लेवल होगा तो ऑब्वियसली स्टूडेंट का एनर्जी लेवल भी लो होगा, isn't it?
Right.
And if teacher is so much passionate, so obviously she will have to have many things into her classroom. It's not about simple lecture delivering. It can be many activities. It can be storytelling. It can be other things.
Right. So basically, a student is a reflection of a teacher. So whatever teacher does, student is going to adapt it.
Let me ask one question towards the audience जो इस वीडियो को देखने वाले हैं, and to you as well. Please give the honest reply.
Please.
You are going to remember only 2 teachers. One जो बहुत अच्छे थे, another जो बहुत बुरे थे.
Right.
बीच वाले सब भूल जाओगे आप. Yes or no?
Yes, definitely.
और मैं ऑडियंस को भी ये कहूंगा कि अभी वो भी एक्सरसाइज कर रहे होंगे जब इस वीडियो को देखते हुए.
Right.
They only remember 2 things and they can type yes in the comment box.
Yes, right.
If they are aligned with it.
Right. So one major challenge being a teacher or an educator or a principal or running a school, we have found it, the interest is not there. People generally जो teacher बनने आता है is basic कि okay चलो अब मेरे पास कोई option नहीं है. जो मैंने बहुत सारे teachers principals से सुना है, here the big challenge that we have is having a constant and a good teacher जिसका interest है पढ़ाना. तो वो पढ़ाने के लिए टीचर बना है, ना कि चलो यार और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था तो टीचिंग कर लेते हैं, थिंग्स लाइक दैट. व्हाट्स योर कमेंट ऑन दिस? हाउ गेटिंग अ गुड टीचर इनटू एजुकेशन सिस्टम इज, whether it's a problem or it's that simple?
See, the problem now, let me tell you, that problem is everywhere in every industry, that people are not interested. And there is a book, I not right now not remember the name of the book, but what is said in the book I still remember is that in every organization, the people, only 10% people are those who are actually working for the growth of the organization. So if there are 100 people, out of 100, only 10 people are those who are actually going to give growth to that company. So that percentage may varies, but that is what actually it is. The only thing is right now, because see, in every organization again the things go from top to bottom. So if being a principal, if we are so much energetic and we are so enthusiastic, we obviously infused that particular interest, that energy to our staff members. And obviously when they are having at a very high, see, we need, being principals, we should ensure that we should make that environment so cozy, so learnable, so innovative, so creative, so that there will always a space for creativity, innovation. टीचर को ये ना लगे कि मुझे सिलेबस खत्म कराना है. You should motivate the teacher कि you should able to, the student should able to understand the things, as simple as that.
Right.
उनको ये ना लगे कि टीचर सिलेबस खत्म करा रही है, क्योंकि क्या होता है कई बार टीचर्स अच्छे होते हैं लेकिन उनके ऊपर एक बर्डन भी होता है कि यार मुझे सिलेबस खत्म कराना है, और उस चक्कर में वो अपना इनोवेशन, क्रिएटिविटी छोड़ के they just going to just completing the syllabus, that's it.
Right.
So yeah, it's again both sides. It's only not the teachers, it is as well as the management or the principals are equally responsible for that. I can personally say that.
Right.
So agar from top to bottom, if that energy, that creativity or innovation can flow, so obviously that going to be depicted towards the teacher as well, and they are going to pass the same to their students. Teacher को डर नहीं होना चाहिए, टीचर को fearless होना चाहिए, और same goes with the students. अगर देखो क्या होता है, सिंपली इट इज अगेन साइंटिफिकली प्रूव कि जब हम डर में होते हैं तो देयर इज अ सर्टेन हार्मोन व्हिच सिक्रीट इन आवर माइंड जो हमारी इंप्रूवमेंट को, हमारी क्रिएटिविटी को स्लो डाउन करता है. जस्ट इमेजिन इफ वी आर क्रिएटिंग फियर. आपने देखा होगा इंटरव्यू में बहुत सारे लोग नर्वस होते हैं एंड आउट ऑफ नर्वसनेस दे फॉरगेट देयर आंसर्स और दे से समथिंग एल्स rather than saying the actual answer, isn't it?
Yes.
The same goes with the students. अगर टीचर का डर होगा तो बच्चा खुद के बात कर ही नहीं पाएगा, वो समझ भी नहीं पाएगा. Same goes with the principal. अगर प्रिंसिपल का डर होगा तो टीचर अपना 100% नहीं दे पाएगा.
Coming to all these points, so we have talked about what are the required skills, what is the eligibility criteria of being a teacher, what are the good, what are the things that makes a good teacher. Another question would be, sir, who should not be a teacher? Because this question is very important because of
$1 million question.
So you understood कि मैं क्या पूछना चाह रहा हूँ. So who shouldn't be a teacher?
As simple, if everybody being a principal, if we know we should not be a teacher, our 70% problems are going to solve, isn't it? Or a person who is going to pursue a particular profession, being a teacher, and if he or she is already know who should not be a teacher, basically he's saving a lot of his time. At the same time, बच्चों के ऊपर नुकसान उतना कम हो, isn't it?
Yes.
The loss will be less.
Right.
The very first thing is again come to those two things: attitude and communication. First of all, if you don't have that attitude and you don't have a good communication skills, I think you should not do it. Now, next is if you are only coming just to, मेरे पास कोई और ऑप्शन नहीं है, let's become a teacher. Because even I get to know from many housewives, with due respect to everyone, I'm not targeting a particular community, but because it's a fact and I came to know during my experience as well, बहुत सारी housewives और उनके husbands भी खुद बोल देते हैं कि ठीक है, now you can become a teacher. बच्चे बड़े हो गए now, because you are already qualified, just go and become a teacher.
Yeah.
So that is not something that if you are actually inspired from inside, like if you know, if somebody want to become a pilot, a doctor or a lawyer, तो parents और वो जो बच्चा होता है, जो candidate है particular, they are very inspired and they are really proud of it. But I have seen right now that people are not feel proud if they are teaching.
Right.
I don't know why. Irrespective of what salary they are getting, irrespective of what. First thing is, see, even if you talk about Radhakrishnan Sarvapalli, they said that it should be celebrated as a Teachers' Day.
Yes.
So the president level candidate is having so much respect. और हमारे तो धर्म में आ गया है गुरु बिना गति नहीं, एंड कबीर दोहा के गुरु गोविंद दोनों खड़े काके लागो पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपके जिन्हों गोविंद दियो बताए. कि भगवान और गुरु सामने खड़े हैं तो मैं किसके पांव छूं. तो उसने गुरु के पांव छुए क्योंकि उसकी वजह से उसको भगवान के दर्शन हुए। तो हमारी तो एक हिंदुस्तान की मतलब एक शुरू से जो प्रथा है वो तो मतलब वी आर सो इंडीड, एंड आई टेल यू दैट आज भी अगर हमारे पुराने टीचर हमें मिलते हैं तो वी बो डाउन,
राइट,
isn't it? We still have that fear. I still remember कि जब मेरे टीचर्स मुझे कभी देखते थे लंच ब्रेक में भी या रिसेस में घूमते हुए, तो मैं दूर से ही जब टीचर देखा था यूज्ड टू मूव समवेयर एल्स, एंड दैट इज नॉट ऑलवेज आउट ऑफ फियर बट आउट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट कि टीचर क्या सोचेगा मेरे बारे में,
राइट,
कि आई जब मैं लाइन से बाहर होता था तो मैं लाइन में आ जाता था, isn't it? I'm talking about my school days. And it's still if I meet any of my teachers, and I personally make a point that I should visit my old teachers, not all, but I still have connected with few of my old teachers of school days. तो एक चीज वो है कि कम्युनिकेशन, एटीट्यूड, अगर वो आप दोनों चीजें नहीं है तो आपको आई थिंक टीचिंग में नहीं जाना चाहिए. थर्ड थिंग, इफ यू डोंट हैव पेशेंस. Now the fourth one is, when after patience, the fourth one is basically you have to have the dedication. See, right now a big shift has been 100% accepted by teachers across the country, and I hands off to them, all of them, to all the educators. Okay, within a week across the country, everybody now know how to use Zoom, how to use Google Meet. Every a teacher should be a student throughout the
yes
learning process.
Obviously. Sir, another thing, being a career counselor, and you also are a certified career counselor, and you have been seeing things a lot in these times. So I've personally counseled a lot of students, have taken this seminar for, let's say, more than 2500 students or more. तो जब भी ये क्वेश्चन मैंने पूछा है कि give me some career options जो आप बनना चाह रहे हैं in a group of people, I have never heard a single student saying about being a teacher. Now from these students जिन्हें क्लास 11 12th में when they are living their half of life with teacher and they are not even planning to be a teacher, but आगे चल के यही बच्चे फिर टीचिंग लाइन में आ जाते हैं. तो how what's your take on this?
मैं एक बहुत ऐसी मतलब रिवील करने लगा हूँ सीक्रेट. आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी ऑफ टीचर्स और स्टूडेंट्स आर अवेयर ऑफ इट. मे बी फ्यू ऑफ देम इज ऑब्वियसली दोज हु आर ऑलरेडी ऑन दैट सर्टेन लेवल, बट लेट मी टेल यू, टीचिंग इज अ हाईएस्ट पेइंग जॉब. मे बी आपको भी शौक लग रहा होगा, बट आई विल रीड द फैक्ट्स नाउ. See, right now, presently, a salary of a PGT is almost 60 to 70,000 as per central government rules. 60 to 70,000. And teaching is a profession where you will get almost 50 days off. If I collaborate winter break and summer break and autumn break all together. So 50 days break, there are certain Saturdays off, there are certain chuttis which are always there with the teachers. Apart from that, there will be certain half days. And teachers are those who are enjoying all the celebrations, whether it be 15 August, Eid, Holi, Diwali, because all those celebrations are being celebrated in every school, by every school, maybe at a small level or a great level or a bigger level, but it has been celebrated. आपको भी याद होगा, आप भी अपने स्कूलों में ये सारे दिन मनाते होंगे, fancy dress and all that, isn't it? तो teachers काम भी कर रहा है, वो enjoy भी कर रहा है. Actually, अगर आप मेरे से पूछो from my point of view, maybe there are people those who are on a different perspective, and I respect their opinion as well. But if from my perspective, from my point of view, teacher काम भी कर रहा है, वो उस काम को enjoy भी कर रहा है, festivals भी celebrate कर रहा है, छुट्टियां भी celebrate कर रहा है, अच्छी salary ले रहा है. Now, what are other additions to this? अब जो schools allow करते हैं tuitions के, I personally know one of my friend, he was a math teacher and he used to give tuitions to 150 students at a time. 150 लोगों को in different batches. So even if we charge 1,000, just imagine 1,50,000 from tuition and around 40-50,000 from school, almost 2 lakh.
Right.
But see, for that obviously you have to attain that certain level. That certain level competence is. You will be agree on this, and everybody, those watching it, they can again type yes in the chat box, or if they are aligned, they can type align in the chat box. Same engineer. One is earning 5 lakh, one is earning 50,000, one is earning 10,000. Same degree, everything. But skills make them apart. Right. एक इलेक्ट्रीशियन जो है 50,000 महीना भी कमाता है, एक इलेक्ट्रीशियन 5,000 महीना भी कमाता है. There is a plumber who is earning 50,000, there is a plumber who is earning 5,000.
Right.
So plumber to plumber hai. What makes them apart? There is a counselor, those who are charging 10,000. There are counselor, those who are charging only 500. Isn't it? There are doctors those who are charging 5 lakh. There are doctors those who are charging only 50,000 for the same operation. So what makes them apart is their competency level.
Right.
I still know there are teachers those who are taking 10,000 per student to teach them.
Right.
So see, when it comes to these, teaching is a very lucrative job, let me tell you, and a lot of money is there.
Right.
And now, if we talk about online classes, now there is no limit. You can give your session to somebody who's sitting in Australia, Canada, America, UK,
Right.
Chhattisgarh, MP, Kanyakumari, Kerala, wherever.
Right. Right.
And the money will be automatically deposited in your account through online payment.
Right.
You can check the status, you can give your sessions, and now everybody is giving their sessions online. Now COVID has told them to come up with a new idea,
Right.
which they were not using from years, because this online sessions, online teaching, online training was around, I think, if I'm not wrong, 7-8 years
7-8 years
ago, it was already being started.
Yes.
And from the last 5 years, it was in a very growing stage. And still it's booming. Still it's in a growing age. It does not achieve its proper level.
Right. There are n number of options a teacher could earn money as well as respect. So any
Yes.
student, जो भी स्टूडेंट इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं, अगर आप ऑलरेडी 9th 10th 11th या 12th में हैं, if you are planning for a career, consider teaching as a career, because there are a lot of positives which comes around and tells you about the life. आप ट्यूशंस ले सकते हैं, कोचिंग्स ले सकते हैं, जैसा सर ने बताया, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स एज अ करियर आप बना सकते हैं. सबसे अच्छी बात इसमें एक ये भी हो सकती है कि आप अपने होम टाउन पे रहकर बहुत कुछ कमा सकते हैं. आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट पीपल who are out there in another state, another city, away from their home, and then they are earning less than this. So earning के मामले में, respect के मामले में, teaching is a very noble profession and a high paying job. Sir, one thing इसमें
one more thing I want to add on, because we
please.
talk about teaching, let me talk about a bit about principals.
जी,
I personally know principals, those who are earning from 70,000 to 8, 9, 10 lakh per month.
Wow.
Per month.
Wow.
And average salary, I will tell you about good school for a principal is, I am revealing it over the YouTube, is almost from 1 lakh to 3 lakhs in between.
Wow.
Along with what perks, they are getting home, they are getting free electricity, they are getting a car with a driver. So let me tell you, there are many things, because teacher can become a principal in years to come.
Perfect. So that sums up, I guess, everything about career in teaching. If you have any question, guys, आप नीचे comment पे लिख सकते हैं. Even I will answer, or Mr. Hitesh Tiwari will be there to answer you or your queries. And thank you so much, sir, for this interview. And I assume कि ये video, ये interview will create a lot of teachers, and the future of Indian education system is going to be amazing. Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, and I think I want to say to the audience, those who are watching this video, don't take teaching or a teaching career as something, the last option. But listen to your heart, and let me tell you, you will be going to bless with everything. Respect, money, name, fame, everything. Thanks.
Thank you so much.